What's up everyone? It's the unboxing of Galaxy Tab 2. Let's check this out. So let's open this guy up. Boom! There's the Galaxy Tab 2. Let's take the device out and see what we got in the box. So there's some user manual, documentary. Oh crap. I got the USB, micro USB cable. Sorry. Some extra ear jaws. The headphone with 3.5mm jack. Micro USB charger. Charger device. What kind of charger is this? This goes into this. I'll solve that later, man. So let's go ahead and check the device. Pretty decent device, 7-inch screen with plastic back. On the left we got SIM card slot and SD card slot. On the top we got 3.5mm jack, and on the right we got the lock and volume rocker. Let's turn this guy on. There we go, Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 GTP3100. Such a big name, man. It's 16GB version if you guys are wondering, 4.1 Jelly Bean, and it's a 3G model. Got Wi-Fi and all the stuff, got in Android. So there it is, for the unboxing of Galaxy Tab 2. For full review, see the links down below. It's Shivam from Android.